Hello everyone, we have already seen how to create an Ubuntu instance in AWS EC2 and also how to install Apache 2 server in it. If you haven't watched that, links are given in the description. Our objective is to deploy a Django application. For that, let's create Django application on AWS server. First, let's check the default Python version. It's 3.8. Now the first step to install pip. So using pip, you can install Python packages like Django, Pandas, etc. The command is apt install python 3 pip. Command might vary based on your Python version, Ubuntu server version. I am using Ubuntu 20.04. If your version is different than mine and this command doesn't work, then search on internet something like how to install pip in Ubuntu 16.04 and Python 3.6. And now we have installed pip successfully. Next step is to install virtual environment. The command is sudo apt install python 3 venv. Again, command might vary depends on your Ubuntu server and Python version. Now I'll create folder for project. And inside folder I'll create virtual environment. I have detailed video on how to set up and create Django project for beginners. Link I have given in the description. Now I'm just running through the command assuming that you already have prior knowledge to create Django project on your local system. Now I will activate the virtual environment. After that I'll install Django. The next step is to create Django project using Django admin start project command. Inside the project folder, create Django application using Django admin start app command. Now it's time to run the project. But before that, go to Settings.py and do the necessary changes. In allowed host, add the public IP address of your Ubuntu server. Since I don't have static IP address, my public IP address changes dynamically each time I restart the server. This address will change each time I turn off the system. So better for development purpose, I'll keep star over here. And now it's time to run the application. I'm providing custom port here. I want to run my Django application on the port 8000. Do you remember in the security group we had added a rule to open incoming port 8000? Yes, because of that we can access our Django application through this port. So make sure when you run the application, the port is open. Now I'll open the site. I'll paste the public IP address. The default port is 80 where we are running our Apache server. I'll change the port to 8000 and here you go. This is our Django application. In the next video, I'll show you how to deploy Django application on Apache server. So stay tuned, like and subscribe the channel and write down your question in the comment box. Have a nice day. Bye.